Hey guys, and welcome to Top Crypto. Today we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic, which is Binance NFT. This interesting project is actually going viral and everyone is just joining their community, trading, selling and buying NFTs on this marketplace. So I'm gonna talk about this project in this video. We're gonna go through their website, show you a little bit of the features that they are offering to everyone that is joining their community. We're gonna go through some collections or some NFT collections, and of course I'm gonna show you how to buy and sell these NFTs. So if you like the video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Top Crypto, and check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using Binance NFT. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. Let's get it started right now. Hey guys, so we are now on Binance.com/NFT or Binance NFT, the official site. This marketplace, which is going insanely viral. Everybody is just going insane about this project and everyone is just joining. A lot of big markets, a lot of big famous people that are joining this community. And as you can see here, all the projects that are being discovered or being released on this marketplace. So if we go down a little bit here, we can see the recommended creators, which are probably the newest and the most famous ones. For example, Niftyville BSC. So if we go to that page, it will take us to the official profile of that creator. And if we go down a little bit here, as you can see here, there are some filters. For example, first edition, resale, fixed price, live auction, or the currencies which are BNB, Ethereum, BUSD, and the price from 2 and then you can press OK if you want to search for a specific NFT or you have filters for that search. As you can see here, they have two items in their collection. So first of all, the tier 1 title and the tier 2 titles, and as you can see here, there is the price in Ethereum and of course in US dollars, and the creator here is Niftyville BSC. So this is Niftyville. If we go down back to this page, there are more creators. So if you are interested in an NFT project, you want to buy some NFTs, make sure to check Binance.com/en/NFT/home. The link will be in the description below. So if we go down a little bit here, we have recommended collections, not creators but collections. So let's see the difference between these two things because they are completely different. So for a creator, he creates these NFTs, but the collections are actually where the collections are. So for example, let's say a creator creates NFTs and then put them in a collection, for example 10,000 different NFTs. So if we go down a little bit here, we can see more items, obviously more items, and the price goes up and down. So if you are interested in one of these NFTs, you just gotta press one. For example, I'm interested in this common 31, so I'm gonna press it and it will take me to this page. And as you can see here, there are all the information about this specific NFT, the owner, the category of this NFT, which is art, description that you must read to know the actual story of this NFT, and of course they have bidding price, which is 2,900 BUSD or $2,900, and the auction actually ends in 1 hour and 8 minutes 42 seconds. So if you are interested about this NFT, make sure to hop in the site, register if you don't have an account, or if you have already an account, just go and search for your specific or favorite NFT and come to this page and just press buy now, as you can see here. So if we go back to this page, we can see more NFTs, which are the trending NFTs, or basically the most famous NFTs, or the NFTs that have a lot of eyes on them. As you can see here, for example, this one has 648 likes, and that means it has 648 potential buyers, even more. So let's press it right here, and this will actually take us to their official page. As you can see here, this is a cool dog with the angel's ring, the sunglasses, some tattoos right here. So it's actually really good, and the name is Unbothered Franchise #111. So the creator is this guy, and he is actually the owner right now, and he put it on bid. So this auction is actually going insane. So every single like 2-3 hours someone bids on it, and as you can see here, there is the whole history of this auction. So it went from like, I don't know, $100 to up to $1,200, and the auction ends in 24 hours. So how does the auction work? It's basically someone posting an NFT and he says that this NFT is for auction. So whoever bids most at the end of this auction will get the NFT eventually. So it can end like for $100 or even like for millions of dollars. And we have already seen NFTs that went for $1,000,000. Yeah, this is a cool feature that Binance is actually offering to people and not as buy now, because with buy now, it's a specific amount that you either like pay it or not. If you want it, you can pay and you get the NFT. If you don't want it and that's too much for you, then you can't have that NFT. But with auctions, you can actually snipe some NFTs for a cheap price and flip them for a bigger profit, and that's actually really good because Binance NFT is actually offering that. So let's go to the official or the main page and let's go down. As you can see here, they have a small community, they have Telegram, Instagram, and Twitter. So if you are interested in joining their community, please make sure to check their Telegram, their Twitter, and of course their Instagram for some future announcements, features that are being announced on this website. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I went through their website. I showed you how to buy and sell NFTs on Binance NFT. And of course, I showed you all the features that they are offering to all the newcomers. So if you like the videos, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, Top Crypto, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and check the description below for all the links and information needed to start using Binance NFT. Thank you very much and have a nice one. Bye bye.